Hello friends, today we will do back exercise of chapter number 6 of our novel David Copperfield. Life with the Wickfields. Comprehension. Read chapter 6 and answer the following questions. Who chased away the donkeys? Aunt Betsy. Who was writing a life story? Mr. Dick. Who was the headmaster of the school in Canterbury? Dr. Strong. Who did David live with in Canterbury? Mr. Wickfield. Who was like a sister to David? Agnes. Who reminded David of a snake? Uriah Heep. Who did Uriah Heep live with? Mr. Wickfield. Who visited Uriah Heep's house while David was there? Mr. Micawber. What do you think? Part A. Discuss the following questions. First, what kind of person do you think Aunt Betsy was? Why do you think Mr. Dick's relatives really wanted to put him in a mental institution? This is your question. Answer. Mr. Dick's relative really wanted to put him in a mental institution because his family thought he was mad as he was bit odd at times, but he was gentle and kind. He was an interesting person as he was also writing a book about his life. Question number 2. What do you think you will do in the future? Answer. Nobody can predict the future. I am thought of as an optimist. But when it comes to the future, not so much because our society is so manipulated by government, big business and religion. In spite of all this, I want to become a successful engineer like my father. I would also like to share my knowledge with children like teacher. I believe that hope is a good thing and no good hope dies. Question number 3. Should we judge people from their appearance or manner? Answer. Though I know that looks are the first impression, but I do not judge people by appearance because many times I have made judgments by appearance that turned out to be wrong. The appearance tells a lot about a person. The way he dresses, the shoes he wears, even the color of the dress will tell us about the mood of the person. It is very important to present ourselves in our best way. Once we are impressed by the appearance of a person, we should also observe in other situations. Look at them, how they react. Listen to them talking, joking, laughing, explaining, complaining, blaming, praising, ranting, and preaching. Only then you will be able to judge their characters. Part B. Find the following extracts from chapter 6 and discuss their meanings. First, page number 34. Living there in Aunt Betsy's was like something from a storybook. The meaning is because Aunt Betsy chased away the donkeys who dared to walk on the grass near her garden, but she cared about David. Second, page number 34. The line is, no one knows the future, but you can prepare for it by doing well at school and learning from your mistakes. These lines have been said to David by Agnes. In these lines, Agnes wants to tell David that no one can predict the future, but we can make our future well by learning from our mistakes, which we commit at school and by doing well at school. Third, Page number 36. I am Heap. I'm the humblest person in the world. I here is referred to as Mr. Wickfield's assistant Uriah Heep. He is trying to say that he is not an arrogant person in the world. He is not proud and does not believe that he is better than other people. Thank you, friends.